this one is for you, Jah guy. Whoa, yeah. I give you unconditional love, daughter. No matter the weather, through fire and water. I give you unconditional love so true. Everything me do it for you. No strings attached, no chains on your heart. I promise you, Empress, will never part. Early in the morning when the sun begins to rise, I see the glory of the Father in your eyes. You are the iris that keeps me calm and still, walking with me over Zion Hill. Me no care about the silver, me no care about the gold. It's your little soul that I wanna hold. When the Babylon system tried to bring us down, in your smile, a peace I have found. Sometimes the road gets rocky and the journey feel long, but me love for you, it stays steady and strong. Even if you stumble, even if you fall, me will be the one to answer your call. No fussing or fighting, no negative vibe, just the sweetness of Jah in our lives. Oh, you are the queen for this humble king. A beautiful song that my heart have to sing. I give you unconditional love, daughter. No matter the weather, through fire and water. I give you unconditional love so true. Everything me do it for you. Sweet love, it's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Love, deep love. Tell the world that Jah Keeper care. From the gully to the palace, let the truth be known. My heart is the place where you built your throne. Ooh, yeah. Can't measure this feeling with a ruler or scale. This kind of love, it can never fail. Like the root of the cedar, firm in the ground. It's so me love for you always stay profound. So cool down your mind, let your heart be at ease. We're floating together on a Caribbean breeze. You and I, together, a sacred bond, into the eternity and far beyond. I give you unconditional love,